Hi. Today, a very uneasy feeling exists out here because I was nearly scammed. Yes, personally, I have nearly been scammed. I lost some money today, or nearly lost it, and it was very, very unnerving. So, of course, there's me, and then there's Shreya with me, and invariably we sit together as I make content. And I thought I'll share this out with you. This is a real threat. This is happening, and maybe you've also seen it. So, the tech stack that was used was Facebook and Telegram and UPI. And it reminded me very much of what Subrata Roy had done for the Sahara Parivar, which was give me your money and get rich in 2 hours. Except the target audience was women, middle class, middle aged women. And the best part is to lure them into it. They used AI to morph out a video of these three interesting people who Indian women absolutely adore. The ones who are on Facebook, which is, of course, the middle aged ladies of India. And there was Mukesh Ambani, Ratan Tata, and Sadhguru in different videos saying that there is Miss Leila Rao, who is going to prove to be an amazing boon to Indian women and help them earn money very easily by investing it in the market. So these are the samples of the videos that were available. And these three men, as I mentioned to you, that is Mr. Ratan Tata, Sadhguru, and Mukesh Ambani, were saying in various forms that give your money to Leila Rao, who's doing a great service to make women rich, and it'll give you freedom from dependence on your family as well as freedom from fights in the family caused by constraint of material wealth. The AI was used to morph out Miss Leila Rao, who later turned out to be actually somebody else, right? So it was an erstwhile, model who had been morphed into Miss Leila Rao. So the once I did the click me, it took me to this Telegram channel where Leila Rao was asking me and telling me about simple ways to earn money. You will notice on top that there was actually a particular word out there saying bot. Okay, so this I guess they missed. The bait was that you can earn money very easily, and the idea was you get confidence so that you're part of a group of people who have joined into the Telegram channel. And then it asked me to send a message to Leila Rao's profile directly. This was the profile that came through. My dear, I'm so glad that you're going to make money. You need, and then the pressure. You need to make a decision now, right? Agree. Say yes, your journey to big money will start and the like. So when I asked that, how will you make money so soon? Um, it means that, I just don't need to do any work and money will come to me. And these were the options in which denomination I could do the investment and the money will come back to me. Of course, there were 2 points which triggered my suspicion. One was Mr. Ratan Tata in his videos was looking much too young. He just wasn't looking like how he looks today. And the second was, of course, this way of harassing you to take a call just now. So I looked up Leila Rao, and the scam has been going on for some time. In fact, when I looked up, I found that as far back as September, there was an advisory against Leila Rao investment fraud from the Hyderabad police. Unfortunately, the fraud is still going on. Today is November, and I mean there doesn't seem to be a way that people are being able to stop it. Now, here is something which I then went and checked out on the FBI website. And you can see that in the US also, the FBI warns of scammers targeting senior citizens, grandparent scams, and the like. So, this is an epidemic and that's only going to grow. Be careful, is all that I will say. Be very careful. And, this perhaps is not the optimal use of AI. It's definitely an unethical practice. And each one of us has to contribute to making AI safe for use.